Welcome students to online audio and video lessons. This is an initiative taken by Svmcbse English High School, CBSE, Vasai, Maharashtra. Hello students, I am Ms. Madhumita Taraftar from Svmcbse English High School, going to teach you Chapter 4 of Computers for Standard 6. The topic is Advanced Feature of Word 2013. So this chapter I have divided into two parts, that is into two videos. This is the first video and later on I will be uploading the second video. So let's go with the video. The topic which is covered in this chapter is header and footer. So first let me tell you what is a header and what is a footer. If you are having a book or a document, if you are having, some documents may have 10 pages, 20 pages, 100 pages, etc. depending upon your. So if you have a document having pages and in every page you want to print some words, some particular thing you want to be printed, some picture you want to print in every page, some you can say some name of the company should be printed in every page. For that thing we need a header and a footer. The things which is to be repeated, a piece of text which is to be repeated in every page is known as a header or a footer. If the piece of text is printed at the top of the page, then it will be a header. If the same piece of text is printed at the bottom of the page, then it will be a footer. And it should be on every page. If you are using a header and footer, whatever you are writing in the header and footer, whether it is your date, whether it is you are writing the page number, whether you are writing a name of the company or anything else, that will be shown in every page. If you are taking a printout of those documents, that is if your document is having 20 pages and you are taking a printout, then the same word will be printed on every page. The thing which is written on the header and footer will be printed on every page. That is why it is called header and footer. So header means if it is written in top of the page is header, and if it is written in the bottom of the page, then it is a footer. So let's go and do the practical. Okay students, so today I am going to teach you what is header and what is footer. So these are the advanced features of Word. So in those advanced features there are header, footer, endnote, footnote and changing the background of the page. So today in this video I am showing you how to insert header and how to insert a footer. So let's go with that. First go to the start button. In that, if you get here only Word, you can click on the Word. If you don't get, go to all programs. In that, go to Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office you will get the Word. I am having Word 2007. You may have Word 2010, 2013, whatever you are having, use that. Okay, just click on it. See, the page has opened. So we are inserting a header and a footer. What we are doing? We are inserting. So what is a header and what is a footer? First let me tell you what is a header and what is a footer. Header means, suppose you have seen something written in every page, like page numbers are written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in every page of your book. The page numbers are written. These page numbers are written either in the upper part of the page or in the lower part of the page. If it is written in down, that is the lower part of the page, then it is known as a footer. If it is written in upper part of the page, then it becomes a header. The same thing, suppose sometimes we need the name of our organization to be printed on every page. So rather than writing it on every page, we can use a header, so that once you write in the header, the thing will be automatically copied in every page. Okay, once you have to write once in the header and the thing will be automatically copied in every page of your document. If there are 100 pages, it will be copied in 100 pages. You don't need to write it again and again. So that is why we are using the header and footer. Like page number, rather than writing page number 1, then you again go to page number 2 and then again you write page number 2. It's better to use a footer and just click on the page number and it will be automatically updated the page number. If you delete some pages also, there will be no problem because automatically it is done by the computer. So there will be no problem, no redundancy will be there and no incorrectness or something will be there because it will be done by the computer itself. So you don't need to number the page by yourself. So it will be numbered automatically. So this is called header and footer. So let's see what is a header. See, when you open the page, this like this your page will be open. In this, go to this insert tab. Can you see this? Go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, go to the header or to the footer. Either you can go in header or you can go to the footer. So first we will be inserting a header. See, while clicking on this small arrow, down arrow, can you see it? While clicking on this, you will get, see, some different types of headers. See, blank header, here 3 column headers, alphabetical header or annual header. Okay, whatever you want to write, you can take it from here. Let me take this blank header. So I am taking this blank header and let me write here as it is S. It will be written as SVM. Okay. So now this SVM, you can change the design. Here can you see the header and footer tool? Can you see it? This page will be extra. This is the extra menu. It is open. So you can take anything from here. But let me first change the, go to the home page. Then make it bigger if you want. Make it bold if you need. And underline it if you want. You can also change the color if you need, but rather than taking a light color, let it be black only, no problem. Okay, now see this SVM I have written here. Now just go to the header and footer tool and close the header and footer. Once you close, now you can press enter and you can write anything here. This will be your header. Okay, anything you just type it and you just go to the enter. Now see, I am showing you the next page also the SVM came. See, can you see it? In the first page also, SVM was there, and in the second page also SVM is there, and if you go to the third page also you can find the SVM here also. Can you see it? Okay, so this way, this is a header I have inserted. So again, now suppose you want to do some changes in the header. Suppose you want to do some changes in this header. So just double click over this header and again this tool will be, section will be open and you can do any changes from here. You can align your text, you can do anything, whatever. So you just do it from here. If you want, just select it, go to the home, align it to center. If you want it in the center, you can align it in the center. Okay, now again go to header and footer tool. See up above here you can see the header and footer tool. Go here and close the header and footer. Then only you will be able to type in the page, otherwise you are not able to do anything. Okay, so now you understand, this is the header. Now in the similar way we are going to insert a footer. So go to insert, go to footer. Can you see it? Footer. In footer also I need a blank. Let me take the blank one. Okay, just take it and here write it chapter. Wait, here let me write it chapter 1. Okay, yeah, 4. This is the 4th chapter we are doing now. Now select it and make it bold, size bigger. See, now this footer, again you need to close it. Go to header and footer tools and close it. Once it is closed, now see, you can go down and you will check. See the footer, can you see? In every page you will be finding the footer. Can you see it? So this is the way we are inserting the header and footer. Now suppose I need to insert a page number. Your word is giving you extra thing, that is this page number also you can insert either in the top of the page, bottom of the page, in the page margin, or current position. Wherever your cursor is, in the current position means wherever the cursor is, the date will be the page number will be inserted in that place only, but we will be using it in the bottom of the page. Now see which type of here, here or here. So I need it here, display page number 1. Can you see? And now goes your header and footer, and now see, this is, see, can you see it, page number 1. Okay, now just select it, go to home, increase the size, wait, yeah, now it is increased, the size is increased. Okay, now again go here and close the header and footer tool, and then you just go to your pages. See, now your page number 2. Now can you see here, page number 2. Now go down, so you will find page number 3. Can you see it, page number 3 here? So this is the way we are inserting the header, footer and the page number. So you just try it. You can put colors also in this. If you want to color your header and footer with different colors, you can put that also. So this is the way we are inserting the header and footer. Header means something written at the top of the page. Footer means something printed at the, some piece of text that is printed at the bottom of the page is called footer. So this is the, this portion, when you click on this header, this is called ribbon. This portion is called the ribbon. Okay, this, keep it in mind, this portion is called the ribbon. You can press escape key also to come out of the header. You can press the ESC, escape key, on your laptop to come out of the header and footer section. So hope you understand this. Now next we are going to insert, suppose go to insert menu. Here can you see date and time? Can you see it? This also you can insert a date and time. Suppose I want to insert in this way, press OK. So this is the way you can insert the date or time to your page, but this thing is inserted in this place itself. So if you want to insert it in the footer, suppose you want to insert the date and time in the footer section, again go to, just see, I am showing you how to click. Go to the footer section, click it, double click it, go to the insert menu, go to the date and time section, and in that select any of the time and press OK. See, now can you see the date and time is inserted in the footer section. So if you have inserted in the footer section, that means in every page it will be shown. See, can you see it in every page, the date and time? So from where I have done this, go to the insert and press this date and time. Here after pressing the date and time, you can insert the date and time in your page, that is in the header and footer section. So all these things, what are the things we have understand now? Header, footer, inserting page number and inserting a date and time. So do these things, then you will, and now suppose I want to remove this header and footer. To remove this header and footer, just double click on it, and here, from here you just go to insert menu, and in this footer go and remove the footer. Just click the remove footer option, or you can just delete it also, then also your footer will be removed. The footer, that is 1, has gone. Now the see, you can see the footer 1, I have written 1, that is gone. Now for this date you have inserted, so you can delete it. If you want to remove it, just delete the date and it will be, see, it will be deleted. So now the footer will be gone, footer section gone. Can you see it? In the same way, if you want to remove the header portion, so you can go here, go to the header portion and click on remove header. Once you have removed the header, there will be no header shown on your page. So again, if you want to insert, go to this, type a blank one, like I am typing SVM, just enter and just close your header and footer section or press the escape button. So now your header is inserted. Hope students you have understood this. Try this practical, then you will be able to do it. Okay. So students, you have understood what is a header and what is a footer and how to insert a header and a footer. So just do it practically. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.